Guys, Aaron Vanderveen here with Sherwood Dodge. Right behind me I have a 2019 Ram 2500 heavy duty. It's got the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, and with that it comes with tow hooks in the front with a front end camera. And right on the side here you got keyless entry along with the electric running boards here. You got chrome trim all the way around with a standard 6'4" bed with a rear view camera, and of course your trailer hookup and everything like that. And now I'll show you the inside. Alright guys, now that we're inside the 2500, we come with the 12-inch touchscreen. It has your 4th gen Uconnect, and not only with that, you do have a charge port for your phone, a wireless charge port. And it does come with wood grain panels, not only on the steering wheel with the white stitching and the leather, but it also comes on the doors, the glove box area here, and around this ignition switch here. And with that, you got all power windows. You got 2 charge ports down here to connect to your Android Auto and your Apple CarPlay. And you have a customizable center console here that also goes up for more storage in the center here. And it also comes with storage underneath. And in the back, you have 2 USB ports, and it's also got heated seats and vented seats with the leather. And if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment or call me at 780-729-5517. I'll answer all your questions happily.